Big windows feel nice, but did you know the position of your windows affect how your room feels? For example, in this room, the bed feels so uncomfortable and it's a nightmare to work in this corner. But just mirror the window to the other side and this creates a brighter workspace and a cozy sleeping area. A window higher makes you feel like a hostage in a prison. A window too low makes the room low and suppressed. A window in the center is just right, but at the same time too boring and common. Turn it into a circle and it brings excitement in the room. A vertical window leaves a lot of blank spaces in the wall, making you feel private but also trapped. Pushing it against the wall will make the room brighter, but not as much as the entire wall made of glass. However, it does feel overexposed. Raising it from the bottom till waist height solves this problem, and adding a ribbon on top makes it even better. This allows you to evenly light up the room with best combination of privacy and views. Windows are the soul of your interior. Place them wisely to transform your home into a space that's functional, beautiful, and full of life.